Welcome to the demo of DeepPocket BASIC app, a free of cost solution that offers a range of useful features. DeepPocket BASIC app gives a consolidated view of your net savings from the total monthly or annual income, like your salary, interest earnings from fixed deposits, dividends spanning across multiple bank accounts. Moreover, it showcases your savings patterns for the past 6 months in a graphical format. The current page that you're viewing highlights the total numbers as well as the total amount of credits, debits and interest income earned and the net savings for the current month and year. It also shows the number of credit card swipes and the totals spent using the credit card, thus providing you with a comprehensive overview of all your bank accounts in one place. You can use the app without providing your bank account's login information. By selecting any month and year, you can view the summary details for the period you choose. Alternatively, you can navigate to the summary information for the previous or consecutive month by swiping the screen left or to the right. By utilizing the bank filters at the top, you can choose any bank and relevant account number to show the summary information for the selected month and year. Tap the year-wise button to get an overview of your net savings and other information for the current year at a glance. Choose a year from the drop-down to get the summary pertinent to the specific year. You can also get this information by swiping the screen left or right. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen to see your savings pattern for the last 6 months in a graphical format. The app also provides you with comparative insights by comparing your net savings, credit, and debit information to the previous month or year. These key insights help you gain a better understanding of your saving habits, enabling you to make any necessary corrections and improve your financial well-being. The app's data can be saved and transferred to a new mobile phone if you upgrade or change your device. Let's see how we can do this. Tap the sandwich menu at the top right and tap the Backup SMS Data option. After installing this app on your new or upgraded device, tap the Restore from Backup SMS option and get started using the app. That concludes the DeepPocket Basic app demo. We hope you enjoyed and found it useful watching it. The app does not include any ads or in-app purchases. You can download the app free of charge from the Google Play Store. The link to download the app is given in the description box of this video. Please try out the app and write to us your feedback and queries to techsolve@gmail.com. Thank you.